welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share how I made this really pretty bracelet. It's going to be going in store. So these are shells, and these are glass pearls, 8mm glass pearls, and I just used some stretch cord and put it on a needle because just for this type of cord it's just easier. So I'm just gonna get started. So I'm using a regular size needle, and some of the beads, the holes are too small. I should be using a beading needle, but I'm finding myself that I have to take some of them out and put others in because of it. So if you see that, it's the reason why. Now I'm going to tie it 3 times and use hypo cement glue, which is jewelry making glue.